Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying learning. So let us see differentiation. In previous video, we have seen implicit functions, inverse trigonometric functions, and its examples. Now let us see next point, logarithmic differentiation. It means that examples are given in logarithmic and we have to find its derivative. The complicated functions given by formulas that involve products, quotients, and powers can often be simplified more quickly by taking the natural logarithms on both the sides. This enables us to use the laws of logarithms to simplify the functions and differentiate easily, especially when the functions are of the form y is equal to f of x raised to g of x. It is recommended by to take logarithms on both the sides, which simplifies to log y is equal to g of x log of f of x. Now it becomes convenient to find the derivative. This process of finding the derivative is called logarithmic differentiation. It means that examples are in the form of products, quotient, and powers. Then we have to take log on both sides, and then we have to take derivative, and then we will get answer. So let us see examples. Question, differentiate. Number 1, y is equal to in bracket x square plus 3 bracket square in cube root of x cube plus 5 bracket square upon square root 2x square plus 1 bracket raised to 3. So this example is given in the form of product, that is multiplication of these two functions, quotient and power. So it means that we have to use logarithmic function. Therefore, taking log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log of x square plus 3 bracket square cube root of x cube plus 5 bracket square upon square root of 2x square plus 1 bracket raised to 3. So here multiplication is there, so we have to distribute log, and in multiplication we can add these two functions, log of x square plus 3 bracket square plus log of cube root of x cube plus 5 bracket square. Now here division is there, therefore minus log square root of 2x square plus 1 bracket raised to 3. Now here power 2 is there, we can take in front of log 2 log of x square plus 3 plus here log of, we can write this function in the form of x cube plus 5, here cube root means bracket raised to 1 upon 3, so 2 into 1, that is 2 upon 3, minus here also log of 2x square plus 1 bracket raised to 3 upon 2, because square root it means bracket raised to 1 upon 2, therefore 3 into 1, that is 3 upon 2. Now here power we can take in front of log, so 2 log of x square plus 3 plus 2 upon 3 log of x cube plus 5 minus 3 upon 2 log of 2x square plus 1. Left hand side log of y as it is. Now differentiate above function y with respect to x. Therefore, d by dx of log of y is equal to 2 is constant, therefore 2 d by dx of log of x square plus 3 plus 2 upon 3 is constant, so 2 upon 3 as it is, d by dx of log of x cube plus 5 minus 3 upon 2 is constant, so as it is, 3 upon 2 d by dx of log of 2x square plus 1. Now we know that derivative of log of y, that is 1 upon y, and derivative of y, therefore dy by dx, 2 as it is. Now we have to take derivative of this. Derivative of log, we know that d by dx of log of x, that is 1 upon x, and again derivative d by dx of dx, that is 1 upon x, because dx upon dx, that is 1. Therefore d by dx of log of x, 1 upon x. So by using this formula we can solve. So 2 log of x square plus 3, it means 1 upon x square plus 3, and again we have to take the derivative of this x square plus 3 plus 2 upon 3, 1 upon x cube plus 5, and again we have to take the derivative of x cube plus 5 minus 3 upon 2, derivative of this log of 2x square plus 1, that is 1 upon 2x square plus 1, and derivative of this 2x square plus 1. Now 2 as it is, 2 into 1, that is 2 upon x square plus 3, derivative of this x square, that is 2x, and 3 is constant, therefore its derivative is 0, plus 2 into 1, that is 2 upon 3 x cube plus 5, and derivative of this x cube, that is 3x square, and derivative of 5, that is 0. As we know that the formula d by dx of x raised to n, that is n x raised to n minus 1. So by using this we have to find the derivative of x cube or x square. Now minus 3 upon 2 into 1, that is 3 upon 2 in bracket 2x square plus 1, and derivative of this 2x square, so 2 as it is, and x square, it means 2x raised to 1, that is 2x, and derivative of 1, that is 0. So here we got 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4x, upon x square plus 3, plus 2 into 3, that is 6x square, upon 3 x cube plus 5, minus here 2 upon 2 get cancelled, and 3 2s are 6x, upon 2x square plus 1. Now here we can shift this y to right hand side, therefore dy by dx is equal to y 4x upon x square plus 3, plus here we can simplify, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so 2x square upon x cube plus 5, and minus 6x upon 2x square plus 1. Now here we can put the value of y, and see by equation 1 we will get the value of y. So here we can put the value of y, x square x square plus 3 bracket square and cube root of x cube plus 5 bracket square upon square root 2 x square plus 1 bracket raised to 3. So x square plus 3 bracket square in cube root x cube plus 5 bracket square upon in square root 2x square plus 1 bracket raised to 3. And now we have tried hold this bracket, square brackets, 4x upon x square plus 3 plus 2x square upon x cube plus 5 minus 6x upon 2x square plus 1 bracket complete. And this is the derivative of given function y is equal to x square plus 3 bracket square in cube root of x cube plus 5 bracket square upon in square root bracket of 2x square plus 1 bracket raised to 3. So don't forget to write this example in your notebook. Let us see few more examples in next video. Bye. Take care.